That after the fact shit. We the God.
But there's something even more important that's been written here. It says that this thing has been used in many popular and scholarly publications. Just like I said, they like posting fake stuff. More importantly, we see this where it says that over the years it has played a major role in establishing the accepted view of artistic development in the 17th and early 18th dynasties, meaning they use this thing as a foundation for their Eurocentric fantasy stories. They threw actual Egyptian art in the trash so that they can use what is essentially a propaganda piece and something to puff up the fact that they were completely useless in ancient history and were not there.